Welcome back to the channel. I'm Rochelle, this is Brampton Gardener, and today we're going to be filling some pots. Now,
what you doing?
What is with the goat? When did we get Dexter the goat? What are you climbing up?
Ah, there's a bug on my face.
There's a lot of bugs in the garden.
You stole my spot.
Okay, so what I'm going to be doing today is I went up to the top of the hill where we have our dirt pile, and that's where we dump all of our pots from the previous years. My husband tilled it all up to get rid of the roots and all of that. So that's what's in here. I've mixed in a little bit of the Pro Mix, and then I have a bag of sheep manure that I'm going to be adding, especially to these that are going to be having the tomatoes and peppers in it. So this is my stackable climbing, this is my stackable containers that I used last year, and I'm going to be planting a lot of my micro tomatoes in here, and I don't know, maybe some of the peppers and herbs. So actually might be potting up a few of those tomatoes today because I do have room in the greenhouse to have a few stacks. So I won't be able to plant out until probably next week sometime. But last year I went ahead and I prepped all of my pots and got everything ready for planting, and it made it go so much smoother. So that's what I'm going to be doing out in the garden today, and see you in a bit.
He's like your audience.
Okay, come over
He's
here.
a good boy.
See if you can walk up there without him getting
Can
off.
you wait?
Stay.
Can you wait?
Stay.
No, it's wait.
Wait.
Oh.
Good boy. Look at you. What are you, Simba? King of the mountain? You like, this is where you want the yoga mat from now on. This is where you want to sit.
Yeah.
King of the mountain.
Okay, that's all.
So for scale, try to figure out how big these pots are, and well, now we know. And Dexter wants in. These pots are huge. So I will be pre-filling the bottom with some branches and scraps and stuff. Okay, so in order to conserve on some of the soil, what I did was I went and I put in a bunch of sticks and branches, kind of like this one. And then I covered it with a big piece of cardboard. And then I just dumped some of the one load of potting mix on top. So this is going to need more. I'll go up to the top and grab some more, and then we'll do the other containers. These are ready to go. I'm going to water those in really nicely. Might pot them up a little bit later. And then next up is going to be all of the tomatoes, and those I want to do with probably just the Pro Mix and the manure, maybe a little bit of the old potting mix, but not as much as I'm dumping in these ones. So that's what we're up to next. Dex, you gonna show what you did today? You were busy working. In my way, all day. So, we got all of these pots along here full of potting mix and manure. All of my little white pots filled that were empty. And I got my ginormous pot filled. And that's where it's gonna stay. I got all of these, 6 of these Dollar Tree stacking pots filled. That one I did the other day with the seedlings that were coming up in the yard. So I have some calendula and lupins, and then that we did today as well. My daughter helped me dig up a bunch of calendula that were just coming up and spreading all through the beds. And I did all of this. So, all of those pots down there all have potting mix in them, stacked, ready to go. This one does not yet because I need to do another patio stone from the bottom to put it down. But I've got quite a bit done. And that's a lot of soil in a lot of spots. So it was a good day. I am Leaf and Sophie and Dexter. Hi. What are you doing? Ooh, look at my sweet Williams. Massive. Love. Planted from seed in 2020. Packed from the dollar store and it's just kind of taken over, but I kind of love it. And over there it looks like I'm going to see some blooms soon. Lilac is just starting to get out a little bit of opening up. It's got some blooms on it. The sweet Woodruff is just starting to bloom. And it looks like my irises are gonna be blooming soon. Flowers in there, and we'll let the calendar maybe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
Starting.
Welcome back to the channel. I'm Rochelle. This is Brampton Gardener, and today we are going to start filling our pots.
You can see me in your glasses.
Okay.
Bro, I'm just like.
Okay, well, welcome back to the channel. I'm Rochelle. This is Brampton Gardener, and today we are going to be filling up some pots. It went right back. Okay, let's try again.
Gotta keep that.
What?
Hi. Oh, he wants to sit on my lap.
Yes, he always wants to be
Oh,
on
okay.
the lap.
Okay. 1 second. 1 second. Hi.
Okay, well, no one's going to be watching you, unfortunately.
Oh, Dexter. No. Just take off your.